blow.
Are you hurt?
I did not see the treacherous step.
This is Cristiano Gardini. I've taken the liberty of inviting him for the weekend.
What a capital idea. I worship your father. Do you mind? Fabiano Bassi.
Greetings.
Barbara, my wife.
My pleasure.
Donata and Rinaldo della Gherardesca.
Much pleased. Pleased.
My daughter Samaritana.
Pleased.
And the architect, Gianluigi Busini G.
Pleased.
Cristiano, your shoes.
Nice, eh? I bought them in a shop in downtown Rome. Bargain price and 5-star service. Obviously,